Migraine and ADHD. Previous research has highlighted associations between migraine and certain psychiatric disorders, including depression and bipolar disorder. Now, following indications of an association between migraine and attention deficit and hyperactivity disorder in children and adolescents, a new study has demonstrated a significant comorbidity of the two conditions in adults. Women tend to experience migraines more often than men, which leads some researchers to point toward hormonal fluctuations. Migraines may also be associated with mood and anxiety disorders. Other researchers suggest the headaches may cause more distractibility and irritation, especially in children with a short attention span, or that a separate disorder underlies both conditions. Marco Antonio Arruda, MD PhD, a pediatric neurologist at Sao Paulo University in Brazil, suggests that genetic factors may be at play, with stress and other stimuli affecting neurotransmitters, including dopamine. When attending children with headaches, especially symptoms such as inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity, in order to make a correct diagnosis. Children who have ADHD and experience migraines tend to have greater learning and social challenges than their peers. Early diagnosis and treatment may improve school performance and the child's well-being. Some people may experience headaches when trying a new ADHD medication. Clinicians should explore school performances, absenteeism, and mental health, especially symptoms such as inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity. Children who have ADHD and experiences migraines tend to have greater learning and social challenges than their peers. Early diagnosis and treatment may improve school performances and the child's well-being. If headaches continues, it's important to discuss them with your prescriber. Medication-related headaches typically are not migraines and are usually manageable through actions such as having something small to eat just before or when taking your medication. Migraines, in contrast, are a neurological disorder with symptoms that interfere with daily life. Most people affected by migraines have attacks once or twice a month, although some have many more. Migraines tend to occur on one side of the head and frequently have one or more symptoms: visual disturbances, nausea, vomiting, dizziness, extreme sensitivity to sound, light, touch, and smell, tingling or numbness in the extremities or face. What you can do? Many people who have migraines learn about their triggers, which are events or conditions that bring on these headaches. You may want to avoid, where possible, some of these common triggers: a change in sleep patterns, skipping meals or fasting, dehydration, alcohol, overexertion, exercise, stress, strong smells, fluorescent or bright lights, smoke, pollution, altitude, air pressure changes, like those that occur in an airplane, motion sickness, overuse of pain medications, both over the counter and prescription, or side effects from a medication,